Groundbreaking medical news. The first ever successful face and double hand transplant. A young man who experienced a devastating accident now has a new chance at life. Amy here with the details. Good morning, Amy.
That's right. Good morning, George. This is a huge breakthrough for medicine and for science, and behind it, a man who had lost his independence and nearly his entire life. This morning, a breakthrough surgery that has never been successful until now. In July of 2018, Joe DiMeo fell asleep at the wheel coming home after a double shift working in a lab. His car crashed, then exploded. Good Samaritans pulling him out of the burning car.
Grab him!
His parents rushed to the hospital. What did they say to you exactly?
He might not make it.
Just 19 years old at the time, DiMeo was burned beyond recognition, burns covering 80% of his body, surgeons performing 20 reconstructive surgeries, but he needed more.
I was pretty bummed out at first, but I just had to have it in me just to always bounce back and keep moving forward.
Enter Dr. Eduardo Rodriguez, head of plastic surgery at NYU Langone in New York City, who offered Joe a face and double hand transplant. Only 2 have ever been performed, both unsuccessful.
He only has a 6% chance of identifying a donor because of all the blood transfusions and the skin grafts that he's received during his acute burn surgery.
A donor was found, and in August, DiMeo went in for the transplant, a 23-hour operation with 16 surgeons and 2 operating rooms. Doctors replaced his full face and both hands to the mid-forearm. When you see your son's new face, can you even describe what that is like?
From the moment on, when we walked into the room after the operation, that's him now.
That's the new Joe.
When I saw my face for the first time, it didn't hit me. Because, I don't know, it didn't seem real at first.
Now, almost 6 months later, Joe is doing great.
And it slowly comes down a lot more, like every day. I can see a lot coming back now, especially like my cheekbones.
One day he hopes he can thank his donor's family.
I'm very grateful for them to, give this gift to me. And I don't really know how to thank someone that, gives you a second chance at life.
Now, a team of more than 140 medical professionals have helped Joe on this transplant journey. And Dr. Rodriguez says finding Joe's donor was like finding a needle in a haystack. And it really shows the importance of registering as a donor. It takes a lot for families to take that next step of donating a face or something that personal. But you can see there are people who need every part of the body to survive or to have a second chance.
What an amazing story. Thank you, Amy. We're going to be live with Dr. Rodriguez in our next half hour.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.